like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So today we are gonna react to this music video called Remain, straight out of Meghalaya, and the artists are Bandit featuring Wanlambha, Kharkongor and Eddie Lyngdoh. So I know who Bandit is and Eddie Lyngdoh, and I do not know about Wanlambha, but we are gonna check it out. Who is he? And also Bandit just DM'd me on Instagram telling me to check out this music video, and yeah man, shout out to my brother Bandit. And he was also in that song Safe and Sound with JC Lyngdoh, where he really nailed it. And yeah man, I'm very much eager and excited to react on this one. So without wasting any time, without further ado, let's just dig in, dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what this music video has for us on the table. It remains. Hey, let's go. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I follow back genuine followers, so this is my Instagram ID. Let's just jump straight into this music video and let's vibe into it, man. Let's get it. Wow, nice music video. A Seichi's production. Okay.
Woke up this morning and I don't see you there. This life without you, it just seems unfair.
Hey.
I was blinded by your love, I wasn't aware.
Wow.
We promised forever, but you did.
She looks beautiful.
Does he love you just like I do? Go through what we went through. Does he keep his promises?
Amazing voice. I'm loving the melody.
Plans we planned together.
Hey, Bandit bro.
You left me a scar and a pain that will always remain. That will always remain.
Oh. Hey. Beautiful music.
Where is the love that we used to have?
AD bro, come on.
All we do is fight and we never laugh, we never grab each other's hand no more.
Some sad
Why
vibes.
did it get so complicated? We're not even fixing it. Instead you're fixing things with someone else on Instagram. Does he love you just like I do? Go through what we went through. Does he keep his promises or does he not?
Oh man.
All the plans we planned together, now you're planning with it. You left me a scar and a pain that will always remain. That will always remain.
Man, the lyrics is very deep, so sad, man. I don't know, man. This is making me sad. Hey, that's sweet.
Guess I'll never forget you, baby. I've tried, but I keep failing. Guess some memories can be erased, can be erased.
When you said you wanna stay by my side, I thought our future was bright, but you blindfolded me.
So is he Wanlambha?
Does he love you just like I do?
Okay, this is Wanlambha.
Does he keep his promises or does he not?
All the plans we planned together, now you're planning with him. You left me a scar and a pain that will always remain. That will always
remain. Oh, why did she drop that? Remains. Hey, amazing one. Is there anything else? Okay man, okay, this was really a good one. I really enjoyed this music video called Remains. and the music was really dope, man, for real. And shout out to Bandit, and a special shout out to Wanlambha, Kharkongor, and Eddie Lyngdoh. You guys have nailed it. Your voices are really amazing. And guys, if you haven't watched the original music video yet, please go and watch. The link is in the description. The lyrics was like for real. It was really touching, you know. It made me so sad. You know, keep making more music like this. It was really amazing. And yeah, man, keep coming more, my dear brothers. And also a huge shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. You guys are amazing. And yeah, once again, North is for life. Here we go.